Digital Boost just arrived in my inbox. At that time, I was kind of craving for knowledge and, having just launched my business, I just found a wealth of information on the Digital Boost site and I just couldn't believe that it was completely free. I'm Karen Haig, I'm the founder of Dear Heart, based in Dunedin. Dear Heart specialises in making handmade soaps, soap-free shampoo bars, conditioner bars and lip balms. We focus on aromatherapy and using as many natural ingredients as possible. So we're vegan, so that means that we don't use any beeswax, honey or yoghurt in our products. It's just a personal choice really, and it's something that has really worked for us and it's what people want at the moment. I just wanted to offer something else. So during the first lockdown I had the bright idea of embedding a soap heart inside the soap bars. It's completely hidden from the outside and it appears after the first few uses. And another thing about the soaps is that they all contain inspirational quotes in the soap boxes. So it's important to have really good social media, and I've invested in quite a few courses. Before I launched my business I'd never done an Instagram post, so it was a steep learning curve for me. Really what I enjoy about the business now is engaging with customers, creating content. I like to do blocks of it, so I'll sit down and do 3 weeks worth of posts, and I use Facebook Meta Business Suite for that. I can schedule to Facebook and Instagram, so I find that just by doing 3 weeks at a time you can really get into the flow, the inspiration starts coming in pretty quickly, and then it's a huge relief. So I've got a website, I use US-based Shopify. I think it's a great product. It has a fantastic back-end inventory system, every report you could possibly think of. If you get stuck on something, there's always someone there to help, and they go that extra mile to make sure that you understand. Shopify is amazing, really. I also use tiny PNG, which shrinks down the file size for photos on your website. So if your photos are too large, it really slows down the speed for your site. So tiny PNG just shrinks everything down. I subscribe to Ubersuggest. I really underestimated the importance of SEO when I launched my business. I had this shiny new website and I thought that my website would just climb the Google rankings and one day I'd find myself on page 1 for all my products. That just doesn't happen. It's something that you need to do a little bit of every day. So Ubersuggest, I look at that every day just to see where I've risen and where I've dropped. I can do site audits that let me know how my website's performing. By using these tools we can save ourselves time, so that's more time to work on our business. When you start out in business, everything seems to cost. You want to learn about SEO, take this course. You want to learn about digital marketing, sign up to this training. With Digital Boost, whenever you've got a free 10 minutes you can log on, and I'm finding different things all the time that are still helping me, so it's been invaluable.